Hi, today we'll talk about multiple items for a single borrowing request. A single resource sharing borrowing request can now include multiple items, allowing, for example, for a two-volume title to be scanned in as two items. Let's see how this is done. We'll go into the borrowing requests under Alma Fulfillment Borrowing Requests. And we have here a borrowing request for the title History of the World Parts 1 and 2, a title that contains two items. Now let's say our items have arrived at the resource sharing desk and we want to receive them. Let's go ahead and click Receive. And we can see here a new option, Multiple Items. Since our title contains two items, let's click the checkbox and assign our two items with temporary barcodes. You can see the received items here in the barcode list. Click Done. And looking at the request status, we can now see that it was physically received by the library. And under barcode, we have multiple barcodes, which you can see if you click here. Now, our patron is John Smith. So to loan the items to the patron, we'll go to Manage Patron Services, search for our patron, and here we can see that this user has two items waiting for pickup at this desk. So in the Requests tab, we can see our two items for this request, History of the World Parts 1 and 2. And let's scan in the items in the Loans tab. And now we can see both items have been loaned to the patron. Done. Back in Resource Sharing Borrowing Requests, we can see the request status is now Loaned Item to Patron. Note that this status was updated as soon as we loaned the first item of the series. And at the end of the loan, to return the items to our resource sharing partner, we click Return. And upon confirming, we can see the request status is now Returned Item to Partner. Now, a few notes on multi-item requests. Renew and recall messages received from the lender will update all loans under the parent request. Also, when canceling a hold request for an item, only the specific hold request for that item is canceled. The parent borrowing request is only canceled if all items are canceled. Regarding renew fees, only one renew fee will be applied to the loan. And regarding the lender side, lender shipping of multiple items, this will be supported in future Alma releases, and we look forward to seeing you then. So thanks for joining us. This was Multi-Item Borrowing Requests.